Hi Jay, I just wanted to give you this quick testimonial just to say how much you've helped me over the last few months with the coaching and support. For several years I've had a sticking point of wanting to make a massive change in my life, and with working with Jay, he really helped me deep dive into finding out what the pain points that were holding me back, the self-limiting beliefs that I didn't really know even myself what was there. By working with Jay, really helped me just awaken that awareness to see what was holding me back, and all I could say is just a massive thank you and a massive gratitude to you, Jay. You really helped me along, not only with that big change and big direction that I needed, you also helped me realign my values and priorities and really work on that. And now the main thing is I'm going home with my family. I'm going to be with my son. I'm going to spend quality time. I'm going to start my business that I've always been wanting to start for a few years. And Jay really, with the accountability partner and with the coaching, absolutely fantastic. Love it. Cannot thank you enough. Anyone thinking about working with Jay, I truly recommend him. He's kind, considerate, he's tough, he's funny, and he'll help you push through them barriers, or he'll help you get over that sticking point that you might not even know about, them self-limiting beliefs that are just stuck deep in your subconscious mind that are holding you back, and then he'll propel you to go for it and really strive for your dreams. So don't hesitate to get some coaching and support from Jay. With that in mind, all the best, and keep well. Speak to you soon, Jay, and all the best.